Have you seen Velenor London popping up in your ads claiming to sell premium-looking cashmere hoodies, wool cardigans, leather sneakers, and suede loafers at surprisingly affordable prices? At first glance, Velenor looks like another stylish European fashion brand, but after checking the details, the story becomes more complicated. The domain was registered in November 2025, making the store barely a month old, which raises questions about how a brand can claim credibility with almost no online history. A closer look at their product photos reveals that many images match pictures found on other websites through reverse image searches, suggesting the visuals may not represent original or in-house products. Another concern is their missing social media footprint. There's no official Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or any platform where real customers show purchases or leave comments, which is unusual for any modern clothing brand trying to build trust. Customer support options are also extremely limited, with only a single email address available and no phone number or live chat for instant problem resolution. When it comes to customer feedback, the online presence is nearly non-existent. Only one one-star Trustpilot review has been posted so far. And there are zero discussions on Reddit or other consumer forums that normally highlight both praise and complaints. This lack of transparency makes it difficult to verify whether buyers receive the products as advertised or how returns, refunds, and sizing issues are handled. While none of these findings definitively prove that Velenor London is a scam, they do show that it fails to provide the trust signals shoppers normally rely on before making purchases. Until there's more customer feedback, longer domain history, and visible brand accountability, potential buyers should approach cautiously, double-check payment protection, and consider starting with very small test orders if deciding to shop at all.